Algebraic equations with combining like terms and distributive property. This is a digital lesson and it's winter themed. So it starts out explaining to the students that algebraic equations that include distributive property and like terms are not difficult to solve. So before they begin to solve the equation, they need to simplify first by combining like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign and then distributing any terms outside the parentheses. So they're going to do that first. So we're going to start with combining like terms. So you can see that these terms are on the same side of the equal sign, so we can combine them to get 9x. Same thing here, 4y and negative 6y gives us negative 2y, as long as they're on the same side of the equal sign. So starting on slide 4, students are just going to type in the text box. They're going to combine these like terms. 16r plus negative 7r will give them 9r. And then if they divide both sides by 9, they get r equals 4. And then they've got another problem down here to solve. Combine like terms, and then go ahead and solve the rest of the equation. And then on the next few slides, they have a few more to solve, just combining like terms. And then we go to distributive property. So here we have an equation using the distributive property. Before we do anything else, we need to distribute that 2 throughout the terms in the parentheses. So 2 times 4x, 2 times 3. And then once we get here, then we've just got a 2-step equation to solve. So students are going to practice that, combining like terms. They're just going to type in the text box 6r negative 18. And then they're going to add 18 to both sides and then go ahead and solve. So they've got a few more to practice. And then they've got some that they're going to distribute and combine like terms before they can solve the equation. When they get down to that final slide, here are all the answers from the previous slides. They're going to go back and check. When they find the slide where the solution is 4, they're going to type in the variable that equals 4. If they do that, they'll be able to solve the winter riddle. What do you get when you cross a snowman and a shark? So that is a digital lesson, algebraic equations, combining like terms, and the distributive property. And this one is, again, winter themed.